Welcome. In this video I'm with the Oppo Pad Air and I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps on this device. So we got two methods. The first one, you can do this by opening the app drawer by swiping with your finger, and you can just pick app that you want to remove. For example, we can try to do this with the YouTube Music. You have to click and hold on this icon until this floating menu pops on the screen, and then click to uninstall. After that, you have to confirm by tapping on the uninstall button right here. There's also a second method. You can just go for the main settings on your Oppo Pad Air, then scroll down and go for all apps. And as you can see, right now we can go for the app management. Right here you can find application that you want to remove. Let's do this with the YouTube Music. And as you can see right now, just click on uninstall. This button is located right here. Click OK to confirm, and as you can see, we easily get rid of that application from our device. If you try to uninstall some system apps, for example clock, as you can see, there is no such a feature. We can only hit this button, but it will be still on our device. So there is some application that you cannot remove from your Oppo Pad Air. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.